Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Hawaiian sandalwood and the benefits that it has for you and I when we use it. Now, Hawaiian sandalwood is sourced in Hawaii. And to obtain the oil from the actual wood, the outer layers of the wood have to be stripped to get to the heartwood. Now, the heartwood is then chipped into tiny pieces of wood and poured into a distiller that holds about 700 pounds of sandalwood chips. The finely chopped sandalwood pieces then undergo a 36-hour steam distillation process. Now, this process requires high pressure and high heat. In total, the fuel, the energy, and the time that goes into making this valuable essential oil is extensive. And so that is why it is a really valuable oil that we have. Now, it does blend really well with oils like basil, frankincense, lavender, rosemary, peppermint, ylang-ylang, and bergamot essential oil. And it's going to be great for calming. So you could diffuse it to calm the moods. You can add it to your skincare regimen to help with skin imperfections. It's excellent with meditation and yoga or with hot baths as well. So let me think if there's anything else I want to say about Hawaiian sandalwood. You can use it aromatically and topically. The fragrance of it is a rich, honey, sweet, woody smell, and it is kind of thicker in the bottle. So just note that when you have it, sometimes it's easier to have a dropper to use on that one. A little fun fact about this, the Chinese use fragrant heartwood of the Hawaiian sandalwood in their incense, the medicinal purposes. They often carved it in objects and they built with it. And so that's kind of an interesting little tidbit about that one as well. And so I hope you can grab your sandalwood out and use it a little bit more. Keep oiling. Till next time.